Is your BT YouView box turning off unexpectedly? You're not alone. Many users experience this frustrating issue, especially with older devices that are over 3 to 4 years old. There are 4 primary causes behind these unexpected shutdowns. Understanding these reasons is the first step to identifying what's happening with your device. The most common cause is overheating. When dust accumulates in the ventilation areas, or when your room temperature exceeds 25 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature sensors trigger an automatic shutdown to prevent damage to the components. The second major cause is power supply unit degradation. Over time, especially in devices manufactured before 2022, the internal capacitors age and cause voltage instability, which triggers the protective shutdown mechanisms. Hard drive issues represent the third common cause. Failing internal storage drives, bad sectors, and mechanical failures create system instability that leads to emergency shutdowns. This particularly affects units with heavy recording usage. Finally, software conflicts can also cause shutdowns. These include corrupted firmware, incomplete updates, memory leaks in background processes, and conflicting scheduled recordings that overwhelm the system. Understanding these 4 main causes, overheating, power supply degradation, hard drive failures, and software conflicts, gives you the knowledge needed to identify what might be affecting your BT YouView box. This understanding is essential for determining the right approach to fix the problem.